Guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clone your voice in Minimax AI. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to clone your voice inside Minimax here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do and you want to know here. Now, in order for you to clone your voice, you need to use a tool inside the platform. So, it's going to be under AI tools, and you want to go and click on Voice Clone. Now, inside voice clone, you have two options. Now, if you already have a recording of yourself, like for example, you singing or you narrating something, you could just click on the add or drop a file here and upload the WAV, MP3, MP4, or whatever file you currently have, and just upload this into the platform and use that as means of cloning your voice. But if you don't have that, you also have the option to record an audio. So as an example, let's go ahead and just choose record audio here, and it's going to ask permission. So let's go and choose the correct microphone here. So I think this is the right microphone. Let's go and choose this one and click on allow this time. It's going to start recording, and you can go and just say whatever you need to say in here. So you could just say whatever you say, do everything that you need to do here, and basically say anything. So for example, you just narrate everything that you are seeing in your screen, maybe use some poetry or anything that you could say or narrate. So please upload a clean voice recording in a quiet environment. Reverb, multiple speakers, background noise, etc. will affect the voice cloning quality. Now, at least 10 seconds or 60 seconds is required when you're doing recordings, and also just make sure that you mention every letter, every number, just in case. But let's go and click on the pause button here or the stop button. Now we now have our recording. Now it might take a while for it to upload, but once it's actually uploaded, you should be able to start using it. Now there are some advanced settings here, like for example, if your background or if there are any background noises in your mic, you go and just click on play here. And basically you could go and just play it. Now, by the way, you could also enable the accent optimization. So for example, if you have a very specific accent and you want to keep that, or the AI to keep that, you can go and enable the enable accent optimization here, and basically you could go and just add another audio sample with the same accented voice. So again, only if you want to. Now from here, I'm going to choose English since I am using the English, and you could also do a sample in here. So for example, let's go and just click on generate here and hear what we are actually saying in here. It might take a while to generate. So this is what we just generated here. Let's go and click on play. Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together. And that's our generated voice. Now you can go and click on confirm here if you want to save this. So click on confirm, and you can just say this is going to be a personal test, and you can go and just choose the label, the gender, and description. You can go and click on save voice, and once you've done that, we now have our voice here. You can even use this in whatever way you want, text to speech, or for what purpose you want. But yeah, so that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.